So we've taken some time to work on unbundling with subtraction. What we're going to do at this point is connect the unbundling with the actual algorithm, or as most of us remember it as, borrowing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start again with my equation, which is 72 minus 38. And I'm going to go ahead and create it over here in my hundreds chart. And this is just a way for me to see what the value of each digit is. And when I start to unbundle, it's going to make it much easier to see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and start in the ones place. And I always tell my students start in the ones. I have 2 ones, and I need to take away 8. Well, I can't do that, so I'm going to unbundle. I'm going to take this 10, and I'm going to come up with 10 ones, just like that. Now, I'm going to go over here, and if you look in my tens now, since I took away one of the tens in an unbundling, I'm going to go ahead and mark out the 7 and make that a 6. So now we can actually see why we are borrowing. So I did have 2 ones, but now I have 12. With these 12 ones over here, it's going to be easy now to go ahead and take away 8. And then I'm going to be left with 4. And then I've got 6 tens minus 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. And that leaves me with 3 tens. This is a great strategy because it shows why we're doing the borrowing. So let's say we've got 121 minus 64. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and write my algorithm. I'm going to write it vertically there. Have my hundreds, tens, and ones. And I'm going to go ahead and create 121 in my hundreds chart, or my place value chart there. I'm going to start in the ones. I need to take away 4 ones, but I don't have enough. So that's where my unbundling comes into play. So I unbundled a 10. That means that I just broke it apart into the 10 ones. Now that I've unbundled it, I only have 1 10 left. But since I broke it apart and made that 10 into 10 ones, now I have 11 ones to take that 4 from. And I'm going to go ahead and do that. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 left. And now I have 1 10 left over, which is why I crossed out the 2 and I have 1. Now I need to take away 6 tens. You can see that right here. I don't have enough, so I'm going to unbundle. And 10 tens makes up 100. So I'm going to go ahead and put it over here. Now I don't have any hundreds at all. I don't have any. I moved this over and I unbundled it into 10 tens, which is still the same value. I'm just representing it in a different way. So now I don't have any hundreds, but I do now have 11 tens. Now I can take away that 6, and I'm left with 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is great because it shows you why you actually borrow. It gives you a great representation of that.